I am too. It's drizzling on us ever so lightly, mist almost. The moon is out, the sun is out. This is mystical. This is really like I'm just being sprayed. Like, when will you go into the water?
This is my quick way to just get tuned with all my chakras in the rising. Let's start with the root. Hold your thumb and index fingers together. Place them on your knees. Visualize grounding as we inhale. Hold it. Now exhale. Let's go to the sacral chakra. Right hand above left. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now it is palms together, thumbs over, placed by the solar plexus, straighten the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are at the heart. Left hand on chest, thumb index on right. Breathe. Inhale, exhale, throat chakra, thumbs together, palms holding each other. Inhale, exhale. Yes, we are at the third eye chakra or pineal gland. You put your middle fingers together like this after interlocking the other fingers, and you place that right in between your brows for the first eye. Release. Pinkies together for the crown chakra. After interlocking fingers, place this mudra at the crown. Inhale. Yes. So I've been doing my best this gateway to read a lot of Sacred Woman before focusing on work. So remote work is beautiful as it balances my experience. It balances my experience as an art therapist, where I'm able to serve tasks and do digital services or create adornments and ship them to different spaces. But I have to ensure that I'm optimally healthy, and that's why I love live food. Raw vegan cuisine or cooked Italian lattes make the foundation of the energy of sacred beauty so much easier when I have to focus for hours sometimes on small beaded pieces. I love to listen to music that opens my heart and vibrate higher from the start. Sacred beauty to me is looking and feeling amazing. It's being a reflection of the Most High. Speaking of the Most High, the sky was beautiful today.
A courier could never get this one. All of it is glass. All of it is glass. This is so your aura.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Adorned by Alaafia.
Asheo. Peace be unto you, my sister, in all your intentions, prosperity. Mango love. Give thanks. I'm grateful that you love your experience. And this is our medicine, life foods and adornment.
Earth energy.
Big Virgo energy. Give Isaac. Wow, of course. Look at this golden water ready for you to just receive. Wow, look, it's so. Alaafia. So we are here by the river, fire lit, and we're sharing sip communion style, exchanging bashes. Yes. First to pay homage to the ancestors, Iba Egungun. Give thanks to the hand that provided it, and may we experience prosperity in all avenues. Ashe. It tastes like Saturday. Like, yeah, like, you know, when grandma give you a sip. Alright, I love the pumpkin.
I'm gonna put a lot of salt first.
Not necessary. Not necessary.
What you put in the pot?
That's how Shango loves to pee. I think he had 3 batch before I leave.
Wow.
Yeah, and his little batch that says Shango.
Aw.
That you see me post in my story sometime. Yeah, that's him in love breadfruit. I'm ready for round 2. And you're like, if you feel like, I love it.
I had like lentils last night, but this morning I feel like no one to want.
And you were telling me from before, which makes sense. Because that's similar when Carbon even make this. Shango's iron is the heaviest in the house. Because he's actively growing. So him have a whole heap of iron, protein, and all array of vitamins and minerals.
But that is eating up, like even the actual food. But that says a lot.
And him love sea moss. Love sea moss. Drinks it up in sips. Like that's also what makes this thing so sea moss is in it. Put the gel in it. And when it comes to nourishing self, sometimes I don't really feel for heavier foods. Sip is always my go-to because you can have that balance of the thickness and the liquid, and still I prefer a liquid than sip. And when it comes towards like Shango, he would have quinoa every day. Every day. All day, every day. But when it comes to food, I love flavor of food. I love the way it looks too, but flavor for me, because I have to feel, and tasting is another form of feeling, and that comes to what Alaafia is. I call it the hand of Alaafia.
Oh,
Yes, so it's the 5 different senses, right? So the taste, the feeling, being in nature's resorts, the sound that we hear. The river is sound therapy. The aromatherapy from the fire and the incense, and then the adornment therapy. The adornment therapy is definitely the visualization, because I just visualizing prosperity while creating that peace. So when it comes towards the 5 sensualities that creates the sensual experiences, that is what we call the heart therapy retreat. Yes, yes, the heart therapy retreat. So, give thanks. Yeah, they are in the colors. Yes. Heart therapy, and it's just healing the heart and becoming aware. And this is also a part of the heart colors, the upper heart chakra, for self-love. And that sometimes we as cultural practitioners, holistic care healers, we don't heal ourselves first. So bringing the item here is for sure. So this is our level of self-care, and that not because you're a mother you should not put in earrings today. You should wear the same lapa round nose all the time. Sacred Beautiful Eye is feeling good in self. like my inner child is dancing inside, smelling the fire. Speaking of that, let me go attend to it. I'm waiting on my next round of sip. What's sacred beauty to the eye?
Sacred beauty to me, it's healing, like healing my inner child as well. Because even like growing up, we're so exposed to like European ways of beauty. I found myself like as a little girl, like looking at the Indians in my class, thinking that hey, I need to have like gel in my hair, or my hair must look straight, or feeling not worthy of my own beauty. I didn't really see myself because there was just so much, there was so much adoration towards the European ways of looking. So what does a black girl look like really and truly, or how is she supposed to feel? You know what I mean? So growing up, yeah, pulling away from the expectations of others, or even getting more solitude in myself, I found that what do I want? You know, I started searching, you know, really searching to find my own way of beauty, my own way of expression, and that came from like art, poetry. I wrote a lot.
Right?
Yes, I
She
painted
right.
a lot,
She paints.
and 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 I'm grateful for expression because it really moved me. It really moved me to be free, you know.
Oh, okra is in there too.
I love okra, especially raw okra.
What? She just went into her bush, pardon me, for taking her away.
Yes, so I love my locks as well.
I do. I was about to say that, like, can you see her locks? They're so thick, they're beautiful, they're like wigs. Are they wigs? They are beautiful.
I just allowed them to spring. I actually started with 2 strands and then maneuvered it. So some of them you might see like this. But they do. You see the ends?
I love that.
Lots of people say, oh, you get your hair like that. I say, I don't do that me. Because I don't really
mix them?
Sure. I don't eat my green twist a lot and then some berry. I don't do it a lot.
I'm excited for this one.
So, yeah.
I'm a sip girly.
Yes. So I've been just owning my own way of beauty. You don't have to be like everyone else. You don't have to look like everybody else. You don't have to express yourself the same way, but you can have an appreciation for your own roots. That's what makes you rootical. You know? I describe myself as rootical. Really raw roots.
Roots.
Yeah, so
And that's true because she carries sip. She carries sip, yo. And it feels good.
So, yeah, sacred beauty, it's a learning process as well because as you become older, you really have a love for different aspects of yourself. So it doesn't necessarily have to be in jewelry, but how you express yourself is beautiful. You know, you could be dancing, that's beauty. You know, singing, that's beauty. How you speak, that's beauty.
Making a meal for yourself
Yes,
is
that's
beautiful.
beautiful. So, yeah. And I love natural oils and scents.
Yes. Yeah, so future husband, you hear that? She love what? You write, you take note.
Yes, so
I'm grateful. I'm grateful for us being connected on IG. Oh, there are pumpkin seeds in there too. The mix is a vibe. But I'm grateful to especially Medicine Women of Jamaica for bringing us together. Like the entire ocean that we gathered, this is just the river that has sprung from that. We're grateful to be here and sharing space, holding space for each other in nature's resorts, doing beading workshops, healing through sacred beauty, through sacred food, you know, through medicine, sensual medicine.
I'm glad for that expansion because even like relationship with tasteless. But
Mm.
actually, you can still have the spices and things taste nice and even things that before you stop eating, you can find a new way to make something that's like it.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe bring back the flavor, the nostalgia.
The texture.
Yeah, so you can still have food for it, you
Mm-hmm.
know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely. It's important to know that you can own. It doesn't have to be a village or
Yes.
it.
I am too. It's drizzling on us ever so lightly, mist almost. The moon is out, the sun is out. This is mystical. This is really like I'm just being sprayed. Like when will you go into the water?
Definitely. It's fun. We can be healing. We can be art.
I'm good with the rainbow. I don't think you guys are. So I'll tell you, tata. Bye. We're so grateful.
Peep this spiritual technology. So, 5G is something that causes increased stress in our temples. So this black tourmaline crystals help me to stay no stress, baby. And this cowrie shell is adorning, yo. Get your adornments adorned by Alaafia. Thank you so much for watching. Join the Medicine Women of Jamaica group and get your Sacred Woman copy by Queen Afua. Let's take action, Ashe.